Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. I'm going to show you how to do that with just one simple trick that will get you results. First thing you want to do is open WhatsApp and then search and open the chat of the person you want to verify if they have blocked you. On the chat page you want to tap on their name and this will bring you to their profile. Now you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and you're going to see verify security code. Now click on verify security code and this will verify that your conversation with that person is end-to-end encrypted. Now if the verification is not successful, it means the person has blocked you on WhatsApp, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So here is the second profile on WhatsApp, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to block the test participant, which is this WhatsApp account. So I'm going to go ahead to block test participant, and you can see that the profile picture is no longer showing. So I'm going to do the same thing again, verify the security code. Now you see that the verification is not successful and it's telling you that you should please verify another way, and that is because the conversation is no longer end-to-end encrypted. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, support this channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel and having its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.